Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn chapter 4 Adjectives. In this chapter, we will learn about adjective, its different types, and the order of adjective, how we want to write the adjectives, and degrees of comparison. In today's section, we are mainly focusing on adjectives and its different types. Adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns or pronouns in a sentence. For example, short, blue, tasty, wet, and wooden. For example, this is a wooden chair. I am describing what kind of chair it is. This is a wet cloth. In this sentence, I am talking about the state of being of this noun, clothes. Like that, the adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns or pronouns in a sentence. Now we will see the types of adjectives. We got almost 7 types of adjectives to learn. The first one is adjective of quality. Adjectives of quality describes the quality of a noun or a pronoun. They answer the question of what kind, or in other words, an adjective which is used in the sentence to express the size, the shape, the color of a person, thing, animal, or place. For example, short, blue, wooden, delightful. This is a short story. In this sentence, the short is describing the quality of that story. These are some examples for adjectives of quality. The second type of adjective is adjective of quantity. The first one was adjective of quality, and this is the adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity give us an idea about the quantity of a noun or a pronoun. They tell us how much it is. For example, some, little, all, none. Let's go through these examples to understand the use of this adjective of quantity. She eats a whole apple daily. This gives us the answer to how much the whole apple. I ate some rice today. What is the quantity? Some. He has only little knowledge about this subject. This is also telling us how much knowledge he has in this particular subject. Likewise, these all examples is talking about how much or the adjective of quantity. The third one is adjective of number. The adjective of number tells us the number of a noun or pronoun. They can be categorized as follow. Cardinal adjective: one car, 500 people, like 1, 2, 3, 4. That all numbers will come under this cardinal adjective. Two friends, 3 mango. These all are examples of cardinal adjective. Ordinal adjective means the first person, the sixth period. When we talk about first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, etc., these all are coming under this category, ordinal adjective. The next category is indefinite adjective. Few, little, all, a lot. These all are examples of indefinite adjective. The last category of adjective of numbers are distributive adjective. Each boy, every teacher. These all are examples of distributive adjectives. Now just look into these examples. The brilliant one of you can be the leader of this group. Two children make a family perfect. Few dogs are unhealthy. These all examples talk about the number. Now we will see the fourth type of adjective, demonstrative adjective. This point to a particular noun or a pronoun. For example, this house, that piano, these bottles, those shelves. This is the four words which we use for demonstrative adjective. This, that, these and those. Look into these examples. Give me that blue water bottle. We are particularly pointing to that water bottle. This time I won't fail you. Here also I am pointing to that particular noun, time. These mangoes are rotten. I am specifically talking about these particular mangoes. There we use demonstrative adjective. The fifth type of adjectives are possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives are used to indicate who or what owns something or shows possession. Possessive adjective shows the ownership of things. For example, my bag, her pen, his house, our glass. This is all showing the possession or the ownership of things. Words which we use to show the possession is his, her, your, my, its, our, your and their. Let's see some example. This is my house. His father is an extremely intelligent and hardworking man. That's my cat. I got it 2 years ago. These all sentences shows the ownership, who or what own the things. In such situations, we will use possessive adjectives. The sixth type of adjective is interrogative adjectives. This is to ask questions related to a noun. For example, which dress are you wearing? Or whose bat is this? These all are the list of interrogative adjectives. What, whose, where, why, how and which. Whose pen will they give us? What exactly are you planning for? The last type of adjective is compound adjective. These are often joined by hyphens. They are group of words that work together as one adjective. For example, an upside down hat, a tomato and onion salad. These are the examples of compound adjectives: long term, high quality, last minute, easygoing, good looking, slow moving, etc. So, dear students, you want to write these definitions and examples and also adjective words into copy.